Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Creation Unlimited with Sunita. This is a view from my garden. I thought of sharing it with you. In today's video, I am going to do a fabric painting in Kerala traditional dress. I am going to paint a dupatta which has golden border. The material I required for this is dupatta which I am going to paint. Embroidery ring frame, the design which I am going to trace to the cloth, I am going to start the design from the corner, so set the frame accordingly. For setting the frame, first you have to keep the small frame or the inner frame down and the cloth should come upon that. After that you can keep the bigger frame upon that. Make sure that no wrinkles form on the cloth. When the cloth is fixed properly without wrinkle, tight the frame with the screw given in the side. Now you can keep the design down for tracing. I am tracing directly with the acrylic black color. We need a outline. I am using 000 brush, acrylic color black and golden, as I am going to use only two colors. Even though these border look pleasing to the eyes without any ado, still I am going to enhance it with my own style by adding more design to it. I am using fevicryl fabric golden color. The same design is repeated here. This is the mirror image of the same. In the beginning it starts with the flower, now it ends with the flower. It is like the continuation of the previous design. This leaf and flower pattern is repeated in all over the dupatta. I hope you like the look of the dupatta. If you like it, please do comment. Please do like, share, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you for watching.